What do you notice when you look at this market chart? It's easier to understand the chart better when you pay close attention to different levels in the market. Now, let's zoom out a bit. This is to have a better view of the market. Here, the market was clearly on a downtrend, making lower highs. Now, are prices aiming for the top or getting ready for a further trend down? For you to understand the market movement here, let's take a closer look. You can see that the market is moving within a channel. Using the right technical tools here, you will be certain of a good run of pips. Here, we are going to draw our trend line. When you draw your line, make sure your line touches more trend lines in the market. Trend lines are very powerful tools when it comes to price actions in the financial market. Always be careful at this point. The more prices your trend line touches, the more accurate it is. Take your time and always pay close attention to the market prices. Always extend your line in order to capture future market prices. This line is better now. Let's draw our second line at the upper zone. If you notice, now it's easier for you to understand the market better. That's why it is important to look out for support levels in the market and to draw them accurately. At this point in the market made a bearish engulfing pattern. Then, there was an indecision in the market. Here, the market prices formed a harami pattern, followed by a good bearish candlestick. This was an indication for a possible price reversal. If you noticed, the market moved within this range. There is something very fascinating we should also understand here. The market prices isn't just obeying the trend line zones. Do you notice something? The market is obeying the support levels of the previous market prices. Let's draw support lines to understand the market better. This is our first point, so extend it to this other market price. It's clearer now. The market price also obeys this horizontal level. Same with this point too. This high also obeyed these support levels.